In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Calendar to your WordPress website. To add Google Calendar to your WordPress website, first open your browser and in the search bar type Google Calendar and hit enter. Left-click the first link that appears, which will take you to the official Google Calendar website. Here, you will see your personal calendar. In the left navigation bar at the bottom, there is an option labeled Other Calendars, where you can create multiple calendars for different purposes. Left-click the plus icon, and a set of options will pop up. Left-click the Create New Calendar option. Here, set the name and description for the new calendar, and then left-click the Create Calendar button to create a new calendar. Now, in the Your Calendar section in the left navigation bar, you will see your new calendar. To add this to WordPress, simply hover over it and then left-click the three dots on the left side of the calendar name. A set of options will pop up. Left-click the Settings and Sharing option. This will take you to the calendar settings. Scroll down until you see the Integrate Calendar section. Here, copy the embed code by double-clicking on it. Now, log into your WordPress website in a new tab. In the left navigation bar, left-click the Pages tab. Here, you can see all your pages. Left-click the page where you want to integrate your calendar. On the page, in the top right corner, left-click the blue plus icon. In the search bar, type HTML and drag and drop the first block into your desired location. In the new block, paste the embed code you copied earlier. Update the page by left-clicking the Update button in the top right corner. Your calendar will now be displayed on this page.